back to this tutorial on how to do a long jump. You may see a few different areas that ask for this technique, and here's an example of where you might find that. On this present, I've got a long jump right here from point A to B. So I want to do the same thing right here from point A to B, as outlined on your pattern. Let me show you what that looks like on your pattern. Notice here it says long jump, point A to point B. So what I'm going to do is go up through underneath the fabric at point A, and then I'm going to drag my needle all the way across the long jump and put it back down at point B. It just creates a nice long line for, in this case, to look like a ribbon around the present. All right, so let's do it. I've already threaded my needle with my yarn, and I'm actually going to tie a knot on one end. Once I've tied that knot, I'm going to go up through point A. It's just right there at the base of that bow. And bring my needle all the way up until that knot has stopped the yarn from going any further. And now I'm going to jump that all the way across the present and go down at point B. You might need to give a little wiggle to your needle just to get that through those layers. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from point A to B, you tie a knot in the end, cut it off, and you've done the long jump.